beautiful city shot there. We're right in the heart of the central business district, and coming up right now, it's the gold medal match in the women's recurve team event. So it's a beautiful green park in the middle of the central business district. As we look at how the teams got to this stage, no real surprise to see Korea at the top of the rankings, coming through around 6-2 in the semi-finals, and they're going to go up against China, who beat Chinese Taipei 6-0. So it's time to welcome the teams out here in sunny Shanghai.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the athletes to the field. The Recurve Women's Team Gold Medal Match. 女士们、先生们，团体风女子团体金牌决赛，欢迎运动员入场。
Well, bows down Korea as usual, looking lean and mean and ready to go.
Representing Republic of Korea, Chang Chae Young, Misun, Kang Chae Young, and 2号板
There's a big cheer here for the home team. They come out in this bright sunshine, a pretty packed out crowd as well.
On target number 2, representing People's Republic of China, Xiaoqing, Meng Fanxu, Zheng Yichai. 担任本场比赛的几个电裁判是 The line judge for this match, Shahazad Al-Khayari.
So China here with the support of the crowd, smiles all round. Beautiful day for sport in a beautiful location. Meng, Fanxu, Zheng, Yichai and Long Xiaoqing for China going up against, well, perhaps the more familiar names of Choi, Misun, Chang and Kang Chae Young. Korea with a 2:20 through the ranking round, top of the pile. China a 1:9.44, but it's all down to this match. Head-to-head between Korea and China in Shanghai for gold. Solid start. Well, door open here, often against the Koreans. If they're shooting first, you're looking to see whether they do drop points to give you that opportunity.
I think that China's going to try to capitalize on just a 27 in the first half of this end. I think they're going to look to put a few more in the middle right now to try to put some pressure on Korea.
Yeah, couldn't have asked for more than this golden opportunity right at the start. And a chance here to steal an early advantage here in set one. 3 arrows per team and then they rotate back, so 6 in total. Chance for a mini lead of 1 here with a 10. Tick, I think, for China. But the Koreans, well, they are so very good at this sport. It won't rattle them at all. Another 8 there. And this is a great chance for China to strike early here. A 58 possible with 3 10s.
7 really doesn't help right now. But a bonus is that if they shoot just a 10 and a 9, they'll split the set points.
Certainly will. Anything less. There's the 9. They need a 10 now to draw a level, so a big opportunity for them has perhaps slipped away, and now the pressure is on them to score a 10 just to stay on level terms with Korea. And with that pressure, we see another 7, and a sketchy start from Korea presented an opportunity for China, which they couldn't capitalize on. Korea taking the 2 set points to start this gold medal match off. Well, an interesting start from Korea, but there were 2 10s amongst their 6 arrows.
They found the middle in this first end, but I don't think those are going to be the last 10s. They've got really solid shooting, but I think Korea is going for more in this next end.
혜진아, 첫 발 쏴보고 약간 쏠리면 만져. 자신 있게 쏴. 괜찮아. 크게 보고 그만 쏴도 돼.
How's your Korean?
My Korean's all right, but I don't know what they're saying.
They seem happy though. I think really, given the start that they had, they'll be happy to walk away with the set points, and it'll give them some confidence now, because usually with the Koreans, if anything, they get better and better and better throughout a match.
Yeah, I think that this might just be a little bit of first match nerves, or just getting used to this finals field.
Well, there's some chat going on in the Chinese camp as well, as the targets are cleared.
Go.
Still buoyant. They still have the home crowd behind them. So trailing, China will shoot first. Second set of the gold medal match.
Hey,
Still pulling a little left, but getting closer to the centre.
You know, this crowd is doing a good job of helping out their team, but I think they need to get it a little bit louder. They really need some encouragement right now to be able to pull out the 10s that they need.
That's a great shot, though. That will give them some confidence. Well, the coach talking through Kang, keeping her focused. Coach doing a good job there. She managed to talk that one into the 10. Big opportunity to put the pressure on now. And that's a lovely shot. Those 3 just got better and better. 4-point mini advantage halfway through this set, and they're already 2 set points up. Pressure on China. They don't want to see anything in the blue. The 6 is simply not good enough, especially up against a game Korea.
Time is Chang. This is Jovian.
Hey,
Xiaoqing, Yichai. Huh?
Change there on the setting on the boat for China. But only leading by 10, and they've had 2 extra arrows. Well,
I think Korea's feeling really comfortable right now.
yeah, they only need 2.
맞아.
And you look how far this is, 70 meters. I've stood on that line, and the arrow just disappears. You can't see it, and you really can't see with the naked eye where it's hit the target.
Yeah, trained eyes, of course, can see that, but
I'm just a mere mortal, Mackenzie, unlike yourself.
but from that view, you can see that the arrow can go as high as 8 feet above the center of the target when it's flying down to 70 meters.
Yeah, it doesn't go in a straight line. It goes in an arc, a parabola, if you like.
좋아, 잘했어.
And really great performance here from Korea. China will be disappointed with the second set. They just really didn't put any real pressure on Korea. Korea very, very comfortable.
이거 매우 생각이 많으면 안 돼. 매우 아주 좋아하는 It's a shoot.
China did, of course, score a 10 in a third arrow, I think it was, and gave them real confidence. Here it is. That is that 10, the third arrow. But this 6, well, that put them out of it. And the 10 here really stamps the authority on for Korea. Those 3 X's, really strong performance, and they have, as predicted, just got better and better.
자, 다시 3엔더.
Yeah, I think right now the Chinese team is looking for a comeback, but I have a feeling that Korea's not going to give them any wiggle room to be able to do that.
Well, the crowd are here behind them. They are starting to get a little louder. Well, here we go. China trailing, really have to put the hammer down here. They need a good start in the third set of the gold medal match.
That's a good start. I mean, going from 6s to 9s is a good jump.
It's moving in the right direction, I think you'd say. This is better.
여기다 사이드에
Much better from China. Just dropping the 3 points. I'm not sure that's enough to put any real pressure on Korea, but 1 errant arrow, and perhaps the door will open. They are good, aren't they?
선이 화이팅! 몸 중심 잡아놓고 끝까지 연결.
Solid process again.
9.
Another 9. A chance for a 2-point lead here with a 10.
중심 잡아놓고 오른쪽꿈치 끝까지 들어야 돼. 그대로 좋아. 괜찮아. 9.
So one thing to notice here that's really important is being able to adjust quickly and make the necessary adjustments to get into the middle. For Chang Chae Young on the Korean team, the first 2 arrows that she shot in the first end were 2 8s, and then the next end were 2 X's. You know, making those adjustments is so critical here. And to be honest, it doesn't look like China's made very many adjustments or just aren't on their game today.
Well, they got into this gold medal match, which they'll be obviously delighted about, but the pressure's just really told, I think. And this one could be over very soon indeed, in well inside regulation time. Strong arrow perhaps to finish, and they do get a 10. A 53 the target for Korea, with a potential 58, their maximum.
정희차 이거 뒤로 와야지.
중심 잡고 그대로 과감하게 연결.
That takes the pressure off the other two athletes.
선아 좀 봐야 되겠다. 몸 중심 잡고 연결. 과감하게 끝까지 보고.
They're going to need more than a mistake for an 8 there to lose this one. A 7 to win. That will draw them level and share the set points. Fancy their strong finish here. And it's a 9, and there we have it. A dominant performance from Korea. I think China may well be disappointed with their performance in the final, but I'm sure when they look back on this, they've picked up a silver medal in Shanghai with the home crowd cheering them on. They just weren't good enough for Korea, who take the gold.